Stock market tips that will surely work. Buying low and selling high is the most common tip for investing in the stock market, but it's more important and complicated than it sounds. Being successful with investments requires patience and determination. Watch this video for some great tips on how to succeed with the stock market, even if you're inexperienced. Cultivating the discipline and focus to invest money regularly is a lot easier if you have defined your investment goals. Establish separate accounts for specific goals like college savings and retirement so you can tailor your choice of investment vehicles accordingly. Your state's 529 plan might be a great option for educational investments. An aggressive stock portfolio could be advantageous for a young person with retirement decades away, but a middle-aged person would want to consider less volatile options like bonds or certificates of deposit for at least a portion of retirement savings. Investing should not be considered a hobby. It's a very competitive business, so you should treat it as such. You must understand your own profit and loss as well as those companies making those investments. Keeping this in mind can make the thought process and strategy creation for investing much easier. When it comes to investing, make sure you're educated. Learn the basics of accounting and stock market history. If you're not educated, you won't be able to make money and you'll look like a fool. You don't need a 4-year accounting degree or anything fancy, but take the time to learn the necessary information. Save money by trading online. Search online for firms that offer cheap stock trading. Quite often, their fees are much lower than traditional brokerage firms. A regular broker will usually charge a high commission, just to make a simple stock trade on your behalf.